Man, y'all listen to this. I don't know if y'all can hear it, bro. But we about to figure out what's wrong with my transmission. I'm having transmission issues, guys. Y'all gotta let me know. Let me know if y'all ever had these problems, bro. Like my junk's like getting stuck in gear and shit. There's a nice little scat, Shelly. But my shit getting stuck in gear. You feel me? And I don't know why, bro. My junk got stuck in 7th gear on the freeway. Came off the freeway, it got stuck in 3rd. And it's shifting weird, bro. Like it's just shifting, like getting stuck in gears, shifting. So right now, I guess I'm about to go to the gas station, fill this mug up, you feel me? And then I'm about to take it to the motherfucking doctor. Yeah, we got to pull up to the doctor, you know, and get my baby right. So yeah, I'm gonna tap in when we get to the G-Way. Alright, so picking back up. Hold on, I feel like my lift dry, bro. 12 coming somewhere. Let me put some Vaseline on, bro. But I ain't just get stuck in gear sitting at this light. It kind of wanted to get stuck in 2nd. But then it dropped to 1st. But you feel me? Look at that. We gonna see how those RPMs. And I can't really see with the camera right here, right now. See, we in 3rd gear, 2nd gear right now, 1st gear. Why is it dropping so slow? Check engine light on, bro. We got 37,000 miles on this bitch. I'm about to fill it up and get it right. Alright, so we on the freeway right now, and my traction had just turned into sport. You feel me? It seemed like my transmission heating up kind of slow, but my traction just turned off. And I ain't turned it off. Let me see if I can turn it back on. So I'm pressing the button right now, and it's not coming back on. You feel me? And we in 7th gear. It was just doing good switching gears, but now I think we might be stuck in 7th again because the train, RPM's dropping, and we still in 7th gear. Yep. I can't shift. I can't downshift. Man, I only had the car for about 2 months. It's that pay to play with that horsepower though. But it's bright, bro. It's sunny as good. Damn. But yeah, bro. It's something crazy. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm on my way to the clinic right now to get my baby fixed, to get my baby right. Be over here cool and chilling, bro. Shit. I'm gonna tap in with y'all when we get back. Yo, so I just got stuck at the fucking light in 7th gear, bro. Oh, there go years. I just got stuck at the light in 7th gear, and I had to turn it off and turn it back on because it wouldn't go. The car wouldn't go. I just turned it off, turn it back on. It's good. But look, there go years right there. I ain't in no tent stuff. I ain't trying to get. Ooh, this a years, my boy. That bitch hard. But ain't no way. I need to hurry up and get to where I need to get to, bro. Cause this is, I'm flabbergasted. I don't know what to think, bro. I ain't scared, but you feel me? I ain't trying to put no it ain't unnecessary, bro. But I'm trying to get my car right, bro. I ain't trying to be fixing stuff that ain't supposed to be broke. You feel me? But it's all good though. I'm gonna tap in after I get these codes ready, or I'm gonna show y'all when we about to get these codes ready and see what they say. You feel me? I'm stuttering over my words, bro. Can't think straight, bro. This trying to get ham, for real. But it is what it is. But hey, we at the clinic with it. Bro, it gave me a little bit of hell on the way over here. But I'm about to take it in there. See if they'll come out here and read my junk real quick. Y'all look like they too busy. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how that go. All right, y'all, we back. We back in the RT, you feel me? It's sounding pretty good. It's sounding good. We gonna see what happen when we get on the road with it, you feel? The fuck? They got my lights on? Yeah, so they told me that I ain't had no oil in my car, bro. My shit was bone dry, so look, you see the check engine light off. You feel me? Everything back sounding right. We see, you see everything lit up. We got traction coming on and off on command. You feel me? Shit, we about to see how it ride now. We about to pull off. I'm backing up out this driveway right now as we speak. It's sounding good. I don't hear none of that hesitation. Listening. I don't hear nothing. Everything's seeming alright. It's seeming pretty good. I'm gonna roll this window up so y'all can hear me the right way. You feel me? And I'm gonna make sure everything good. They like my color and everything. No, they rocking with it. This bitch hard. They talking about come do the scat swap. We talking about bring it up there to do the scat swap. I'm gonna chop it up with them. I'm gonna see how much they want to charge for it. Cause hey, I do the scat swap in this bitch. I'm gonna have to get a scat. But then I want scat seats though. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, so I just got an oil change, you feel me? Me personally, I ain't been paying a lot for oil changes. I feel like they got off on me with the oil change, but I'm trying to build a relationship with them personally, cause they do good work, you feel me? I like the work that they do. So, all in all, I paid $150. I paid $65 for them to read my codes, and the codes is coming up some camshaft position because of an oil change. So they told me driving 500 miles. I'ma see, you feel me? We at 37,858 right now. They told me driving 500 miles. So we gonna see how that we gonna see how it do, you feel me? We gonna see what's what. So right now I'm just headed back to the crib right now, I guess, you feel me? We go from there. I don't even know where I'm at right now for real. I think I'm going the wrong way. So I'm on Michigan Avenue right now. Yeah, I guess I can just ride this shit, you know, Michigan. Shit. But we coolin' though. So far we good. You know what I'm saying? Like it's hesitating, you feel me? We going green, we going strong right now so far. We in 6th gear. Let's see. We in 6th gear right now. Dropped the 5th when I stepped on it. Okay. We doing good. 4th gear. Let's go down one more soon. It's still kind of, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like from me driving it, and I guess I ain't had no oil in it, you feel me? I was starving it. I feel like I probably did do something to it, a little underlying. We gonna find out though. Hopefully if I did, it ain't nothing too serious, and if it is, I catch it before it become like a big issue. But yeah, oh, it's a track. I was about to get my exhaust done today. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready for that yet. I ain't gonna cap. It's like, no, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. As soon as I got the car, bro, I got laid off from my job. So, hey, money, it ain't being tight. I'm still making my cheese, you feel me, and paying for my car. You feel me? But I ain't got it like I had it right now. Ooh, I think them my brakes. I don't think them gotta be somebody else's brakes, cause I won't move at something, you feel me? I think it is time for me to change the brakes on it too, though. But hey, what I was just saying though. Oh yeah, so yeah, when I get back to work for real, it's up. And I'm supposed to go back, I think, like next week or something. But yeah, he talking about come get the swap, do the swap. He talking about what he say? He said do the swap. He said, oh, they were talking about come get my mid mufflers cut too. Bro, I'm on 10 right now, bro. He talking about when he said do the swap, bro. He got me geek. I got to call. I got to see how much they cost. Cause I ain't even gonna lie to you, I'll do the whole swap. But I want the seats, bro. Like me personally, I like the Scat Pack seats. I like them like the Alcantara seats. And they like buckets, like these bucket seats, but you see they not as deep as the Scat Pack seats is. Like I like the Scat Pack seats. Them boys hard. I gotta get them. He told me that they got a junkyard and everything. He said he gonna hook me up. I'm gonna get right with him. I know when people be genuine like that. Like he see that I got a car and I'll be going crazy with it. You know I'll do something with it. You feel me? You know I'm gonna go crazy with it. The color hitting everything. I gotta watch this, but it's a good day. I think that's what I'm gonna go do today. I'm gonna go wash it. I just got my baby right. It's only right I wash it. You feel me? But I gotta get some things, bro. I did just come out some cheese though, just to get my baby right, and that's crazy. I came out some cheese. My baby right. My baby back right. We in 3rd gear, 4th gear. Everything straight, 5th gear. Let's see, slapping that manual. We in gear, yes sir. We good, we green. We good. But I'm sitting here showing y'all me. Y'all don't wanna see me. Let me show y'all some DLV drives, you know. We just riding. We just cruising. Tripping, bro. Throw that bitch in squirt. Put it back in squirt. Put it back in squirt, man. We in squirt with it. I can't hear it. You see, it's quiet though. We quiet in here. We ain't got no mid muffler delete. We ain't got none of that. We still stock. We riding stock, my boy. We riding stock. Now let me tell y'all though, since today's video, we just got right. You feel me? Because my car was dying, low key. My car almost died. My car almost checked up out of here. You feel me? This is like, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I was tweaking for real. But I really thought that, you feel me, this is a new car. I just got this bitch from the dealer, you feel me? They go have me right, topped off on all levels. But clearly, nah, they played me on the oil, you feel me? They probably gave me low oil life and shit. And then just reset my, you feel me, the odometer. That's all good though. You feel me? We back right. I got a big 5.7 Sonic, right? You feel me? I got 5.7 Sonic. I think that's what I'm gonna rock with. I'm gonna call it Sonic. Cause I been getting called Sonic. So for 5.7 Sonic, we might rock with it. Alright, I've been driving for about 20 minutes now. Everything been good. Let's see if we having that issue again, cause I think it just was. We in 1st gear right now. Let's see what happened. These motherfuckers let me go. They all letting us go. We cool. Alright, let me see. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. We shifting. 5th, cause I'm on the gas. 6th. It feel like it's kinda like, it feel like it's hesitating. I'm probably gonna fuck myself a little bit. But we gonna see. I don't know. I think it might be hesitating a little bit, bro. I ain't gonna say slipping. We in 8th right now. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. If I put it in sport mode, it should drop down to like 7. Let's see. Oh, fucking, yep, we in 7. Everything good. Sport mode working, so that's a good sign, you feel me? Everything sounding good. I might just be tripping, y'all. I might just be tripping. I need a pedal commander, bro, to get this responsiveness on point. really want to scat to. I can't wait, bro. Just wait till I get my. No, wait. Oh, just wait. Wait till everything back falling in line, bro. But I want to get the posting consistently. You feel me? So if y'all want to see anything, bro, y'all drop ideas, bro. I do whatever y'all want to see. Not like that though. You feel me? I just, you feel me? Throw out some suggestions that's, you feel me? Some heat. If it's heat, I'll do it. I'll get active. I'll show y'all everything. You feel me? Y'all, I don't know if I want to turn this into a vlog. I don't know how I want to do it for real. You know, but it's gonna be lit. I'm just trying to have fun, bro. This is something I always wanted to do for real. I always wanted to be on YouTube. I used to do it when I was just little, bro. Me and little bro used to be on here. We, you feel me? We was young. We didn't really know what he was doing. I wish he would have stayed with it though, cause we could have been, you feel me, some good YouTubers. But shit, now it's just time to find out now we'd be a good YouTuber. I'm in 5th gear right now. Let's see what's going on. Let's see if we drop. I don't think I should be in 5th right now. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. Drop down to 4th. 3rd. I don't know. It might be 2nd, 1st. I think I might be going through the gears pretty good. When I pull up where I'm at, when I pull up to where I'm going. There we go. I'm tweaking. When I pull up to where I'm going. Excuse me. I'm gonna do a rev test. I'm gonna see what's going on. I'm gonna see how. I'm gonna see if my RPM's dropping smooth and all that. It's crazy.